Tired of hair products that promise everything and deliver nothing? Introducing HerbNest Herbal Shampoo, crafted from nature's most powerful ingredients. Amla for strength, Shikakai for shine, Reetha for deep cleansing, fenugreek for growth. No sulfates, no parabens, no compromise. HerbNest gently cleanses, nourishes from root to tip, and restores your hair's natural life. Sim wash after wash. HerbNest Herbal Shampoo, because your hair deserves the power of pure herbs. Make the switch today. Your transformation starts here.